Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix an Instagram app not opening issue. So first of all, hit the like and subscribe, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, all right? And basically what you're gonna do in order to fix that problem, just restart your device. Go ahead to the settings, right? And then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna transfer or reset iPhone, and then you're gonna just reset all this you're gonna see the two options. Click reset and you're gonna see multiple options. Select the first option and that should fix your problem. All right, and basically what you're gonna do next, if that problem still persists, go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Insta or Instagram, and you're gonna double check if your Instagram needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step and the crash will be gone by then. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.